Today we got a video from Bodycam Tube, and the title of the video is Home Depot Thief Thinks Her Occupation Will Save Her from... Fucking sounded slow as shit. Yo, fucking sounded slow, yeah. Yo, happy Memorial Day, y'all. Hold on. Time to lock in. Okay, we got it. Home Depot thief. Oh my God. Oh boy. All right. Y'all getting the raw. This is a raw and uncut. This is what y'all get today. We a minute in and we can't even get past the title. All right, we got a video from Bodycam Tube, and the title of the video is Home Depot Thief Thinks Her Occupation Will Save Her from Arrest. Let's lock in, man. It's late.
On September 17th, 2021, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle occupied by a woman suspected of shoplifting at Home Depot.
Yeah. Take a seat, I'll be right back. I was going to look at plants, I was coming back in to finish paying. Alright, I wasn't trying to walk anywhere. Step over here. What the hell? Am I going to jail? I don't know. But I wasn't. You stole anything. But I wasn't attempting to steal anything, legit. Set your phone up there. You got anything on you I should know about? But officer, I wasn't attempting to steal anything. They put him in the back of the car? Mm-hmm. But what did I do? Apparently shoplifting. I didn't take anything though. I was going to look at flowers. Alright, take a seat. What the hell? Let me see that. Take a seat. Listen, I was looking at flowers. I wasn't trying to steal anything. I did have a buggy with some stuff in it, but I was going to look at plants and coming right back in.
Now the truth comes out. I didn't go in there to steal anything, but, well, I did have a buggy with some plants. Yeah, okay. All right. Mm-hmm.
I wasn't trying to walk out with the stuff. Okay. I'm going to run them real quick. I don't think the black female is anything other than just a driver. So once I run her in the car, I'm going to cut her loose, and then I'll swing up to where Joseph's at. Officer! Like, on my kids, I wasn't trying to steal anything. I'm a nurse. I have a job. I'm not going to deliberately steal anything. He came and snatched the buggy like I was trying to steal something. Where's Joseph at? So am I going to jail? I don't know. Well, who decides that? That'll depend on our investigation. But I wasn't deliberately trying to steal anything. Okay. I did walk past the threshold, but I was looking at potted plants. I wasn't trying to walk up. Then the minute I got out the door, he grabs the buggy, scares me half to death. I was looking at flowers. I told the lady I was coming back in to buy mulch. She's going up to talk to Joseph, see if the driver had anything to do with it. Where's the girl? The female's in the back of my car. But I wasn't trying to steal anything. I'm a nurse. Like, I don't have to steal. Legit. I wasn't trying to steal. I'm confused.
42 is St. Paul.
I have 2 children. I'm not going to go to jail for something stupid like shoplifting. What is this, a misdemeanor? Again, I don't know what you stole, so I don't know if it is or not. I wasn't stealing anything, though. I'm not going to sit in jail for something I didn't do. Can I go talk to the man and tell him what was going on? Because I wasn't trying to steal. I'm a nurse.
What is your occupation?
Oh my God, how many times is she gonna say that she a nurse? One thing about nurses, man, they are never gonna just have a conversation without letting you know that they're a nurse. Like, God damn, we get it.
Have to do what you...
But I'm saying I'm not gonna go deliberately f up my nursing career for that.
Okay. I mean, we have lawyers that have gotten DUIs, so...
Well, I ain't gonna do no dumb... Look, listen, I'm a single mom and 2 kids. I'm not gonna go and steal something. I had nobody to care for my kids.
Was the black people involved at all too?
No, ma'am.
Just the white people? Okay.
Alright, so I just wanted to let you know that.
5-4 to 5-5.
The driver's not involved.
That's what I'm saying. We weren't trying to steal anything. 10-4. I'll meet you back up at the store.
So my boss want to know, is there any way I can talk to her? Are y'all okay with that as well? We just want to know, like, if there's any specific spots she's taking merchandise. She's been hitting all our other stores.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I'll have to read a Miranda first, I believe.
Okay.
But yeah, that's fine.
All right, Miss Hills.
Somebody tell me what I was pulled over for and how long it's gonna take. Because I gotta pick my kids up from school.
Okay.
Well, if you be easy, they gonna let you go.
Well, your passenger was a shoplifting suspect at a Home Depot. All right.
Shoplifting.
Yes, ma'am. So, here's your ID back. All right. Thank you for your cooperation. You have a nice day, okay?
I could go.
Yes, ma'am. I'm going to transfer her back over there and talk to Joseph.
All right.
Appreciate it. Miss Hills is free to go, and
Yeah, because I wasn't stealing anything.
Well, that's just yet to be seen. I'm going to go up. I'm going to talk to loss prevention, review the video footage,
But
we'll go from there.
I walked out of the store, but I wasn't going any further than that. I was looking at flowers. And I need to get 20 bags of mulch. I guess maybe I should have left the buggy sitting right there and went out and got the shit. Damn, and I was on the phone, and I guess they were calling me. I don't know. But I wasn't deliberately trying to steal anything. I'll tell them that, like, honestly. They have never had no issue with me in here before stealing. I've always come in here and purchased my stuff. They can pull up tapes on that, too. Like, I would never deliberately steal anything.
She's been in it for a while with a bunch of different stores.
Yeah. What'd she get today?
This is the felony amount, over 1,000.
Over 1,000? Did she put in the car?
She didn't get out the store with it. She got the buggy back.
Well, it's $7.75. We have to use the subtotal. We don't
Whatever, it's still felony.
Yes.
Whatever.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
I'm gonna run in, talk to him real quick.
We understand, guys.
All right.
Jesus Christ, go, man.
Okay. I'm just gonna stop talking to people.
Am I going to jail?
Usually that's what the cuffs mean, right? What you gonna do?
Yeah.
Okay.
$775. I like it.
Every other case we have on her felony too, so.
Nice.
Mike wanted to know if I could talk to her, or y'all can ask her a question for me. Trying to figure out where she's taking the merchandise. So they're just taking it to some specific spot or something. She probably won't say anything though, but yeah. I'll just tell him my problem.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying.
I can't let you talk to him in the back seat.
So I guess I'll put them on there.
You keep knocking. It's
I'm
not
just
gonna.
asking, am I
Okay,
going to jail
but
or
calm
what?
down. You keep.
But I wasn't stealing anything.
You keep knocking on the window. It's not gonna make me answer your questions any faster, or any slower. Calm down. We explain everything. We open the door.
But I
Do you
wasn't
understand?
stealing anything, though.
Well, I wasn't there. I don't know. Apparently you were. So can you please? No. This is where you listen to what I'm telling you. Get out of the vehicle. Put your body up against the vehicle so this officer can search you. That's what we're doing right now.
But if I'm not under arrest, why are you guys like doing this to me?
Put your hands behind your back.
Hello?
Hands behind your back.
If I'm not going to jail, you don't know for sure. Why am I being cuffed and stuff?
Let's take a quick peek at the video footage. I'll bring the band form by later. And, yeah. She'll go to jail.
That's her when she first came in.
Alright, what time was that? 3:28. Okay.
You got all outside guarding, and they said I reached the profile that day. And there.
Oh, that's it? Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
that's her.
So it's always the same tactic.
Yeah.
She comes up.
Flashes a receipt right there. Yeah, she starts waving a receipt. I got a receipt.
So I'm going to jail then, right? 'Cause I know what 1095 is based to go to jail. I'm a nurse, remember? And I know what 1095 is. So am I going to jail?
Oh my God. How many times is she gonna say that? You know what? Speaking of this, tell us what level are you? That's what we want to know. There's different types of nurse. Break it down. Break it down. BSN, RN, LPN, CNA. What are you? What are you? Director? What? Since you keep saying that, man. Damn, break it down, because there's levels to it.
You keep saying you're a nurse. Like,
I am a
yes,
nurse.
you're going to jail.
But I didn't steal anything.
Okay. Clearly that camera in the
State of
inside.
Georgia making the attempt to even walk out the building.
But I wasn't trying to
Separate your feet.
I wasn't trying to literally do that.
Well, you'll have your day in court, ma'am.
Is this a misdemeanor or a felony?
Felony.
How is it a felony?
The amount.
What did I steal over? I mean, I wasn't supposed to.
No, it's in your court, ma'am.
But I wasn't trying to steal it.
Okay, well, you'll have your day in court. Go ahead and take a seat.
And that officer said he had to wait to see what happens first before he went to know if I went to jail jail or not. So am I going to jail for real?
You are. You're being charged with felony shoplifting.
I didn't.
Oh yeah, Mike said there's a way when I do the trespass form, you can do. No, I'm pretty sure you do all Home Depots, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go.
Yeah.
Here's I just make sure they do all Home Depots. Yeah.
Yep.
Well, at least in Chatham County.
When you grabbed the buggy, did she try to?
She wasn't gonna stop for him, so I just grabbed it and pulled it away from her, and then that's when she just let it go.
Okay. And was there a receipt in there?
No.
No.
She walked off with the receipt as well.
All right. Appreciate it. Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Make sure y'all burn a copy of that and write y'all's report. I'll write ours for the arrest. You don't have to do a shoplifting form.
Okay.
For this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
These are really, really tight on my hands. Like for real. I can't feel my fingers. I have lupus too, so.
I made sure that the
Okay, no, I can't move my wrist at all.
Okay, so turn that way.
Man.
What? Huh?
Honestly, and in all reality, a lot of times her being a bigger person, they would do the double because she's, big bone. You know what I mean? So you can see how her hands is it's tight. Handcuffs in general are not made to be comfortable. It is what it is. But typically for a bigger one like this, they would do the double cuffs. You know what I mean? But I want to know, what she must be a nurse practitioner or something, man. She don't got to steal.
Usually they handcuff me in the front.
Well,
I have
per our policy, we don't handcuff in the front, ma'am. You want to talk to her?
Nope. All right. She's 1095. I'm off to the jail.
I missed it.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one?
Felony.
But I
The
wasn't.
set that's attached to her right wrist is Taylor's. We had to put 2 on her.
Okay.
All right.
But I wasn't
better.
trying to steal, officer. Like, I honestly was not. I have a wallet full of credit cards and stuff. I was not trying to steal.
That's why we have court dates.
Okay, well, I'm not going to get a bond for this, am I?
You will on Monday when you see the judge.
I have to sit until Monday?
Yes, ma'am.
How is it a felony?
Misdemeanor amount in Georgia is $500. The amount of the items in your cart were $775.
I wasn't stealing the stuff, though. Can I talk to them or something? Because I literally was not trying to steal. I was going out there to look at mulch and plants, and I was going to come back in and pay for my stuff. Maybe I should have left the buggy sit by the damn register. Shit, I didn't think. I was on the phone. I'm a homeowner. Like, I don't understand this. I'm on bond right now for aggravated assault with my baby daddy back in January. Family violence. And I still don't have a court date for that.
Well, if you're already on...
Nurses work with aggravated assault? I never even knew that. Damn. What she said? She on probation or something for aggravated assault? Boy, if you gotta come see her and that's your nurse, man, don't make the wrong move because she gonna get you together. Yes, she a little violent.
Bond? They probably will not give you a bond because most of the time your stipulations for bonding out are no new arrests.
So I'll have to sit in there for a year.
Well, until your court date at least.
A year or more. What'd the camera show?
You walking out the front door?
Did it show me stopping?
Nope.
What did it show?
Showed you talking on a cell phone waving a receipt.
But did it show me trying to stop to look for flowers? Because I did. After he grabbed the buggy, it didn't show me trying to explain to him I was looking for flowers. Don't you have a say in if I get arrested or not?
Nope.
I've had plenty of officers that I've seen let people go.
Not for felony amounts, I gather.
But it wasn't a felony. I don't understand. I wasn't trying to steal anything, officer. Like, legit, on my kids, I wasn't trying to steal anything. Not intentionally. I'm gonna lose my job, my house. My kids have nobody to care for them. What am I supposed to do? I don't have anybody here. My kids are at the house right now by themselves. What am I supposed to do?
When you get to the jail, call somebody to go look at them.
I don't have anybody here.
Well, give defects a call when you get there.
I can't talk to them because I wasn't stealing. Don't I have a right to face my accuser?
In court.
But it'll be a year or more. I wasn't stealing.
Just like I also don't have to read you Miranda because I'm not asking you any questions.
Wow. Yeah. Anyways, we made it through, guys. We made it through. It was looking a little rough in the beginning, but we actually made it through. Yeah, so just she's full of crap. I ain't gonna lie to you. Full of crap, stealing. I don't know what type of nurse she is, but that's neither here nor there. Whatever. Whatever, man. You do the crime, accept responsibility and your punishment.